Hey everyone, Denise here, and welcome back to the 30-day workout plan for beginners. We are on week 3. How exciting is that? Halfway through. Well, this week we're going to add 5 new moves to our program. I hope you enjoy them. We're going to do 20 each of the exercises. They are still going to target those hard-to-tone trouble spots, like our back fat, our belly bulge, our glutes. And we've also got one that's going to help with the inside of our thighs, your inner thighs. I was noticing in my little pants here, starting to connect. Got to get these guys in shape. Anyways, I'm glad to see you're back, and let's just get right to it. And so what we're going to do is we're going to warm up. We're going to do some stretches. With the warm-up, we're going to prime our muscles and reduce any chance of injury. All right, so let's get right to it. Okay, so for the first exercise we're going to do, this one is called Sumo squats. These are good for your inner thighs, your glutes, and your overall legs. The way you do this is you want to stand with your feet apart, put your toes out a little bit, put your hands on your hips, and we're going to go down into a squat, and then come up. And you're going to feel it here. We're going to do 20 of them. Try not to lose your balance. All right, here we go. 1, 10 more. Go down as far as you can. 16. 17. 18. One more. Woo! I feel that one. Whew. Now walk it out a little bit. All right, let's keep going. So this next one we're going to do, they're called knee strikes. These are good for your abs, your back fat, your thighs. What you want to do, you want to stand in a position like this, one leg behind you, put your arms up in the air, straight up in the air. You want to come down like that. And we're going to do 20 for each leg. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those go down. 20. All right, let's do the other side. Woo, I feel that one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going, 10 more. One more. And 20. Oh, I'm working up a sweat. All right, let's keep going. So this next one we're going to do, it's called the overhead press. And this is good for your bra bulge. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my 3-pounder weights. You can use some soup cans if you don't have any weights. Or if even that's too heavy, just use the palms of your hand. So, you want to sit straight up, your feet together. Put your hands in front of you like this. And you want to go out. That's it. And we're going to do that 20 times. All right, here we go. 6, 7, You see? 14. Ooh, 15. Keep going. 9 more. 16. 17. 18. 19. And 20. Oh, whoa. Feel that here, and I feel it in my back. All right. Good job. And so for this next one, you should know how to do this one. This is called ab bikes. This is good for your gut, your legs, your thighs, and your back. Now we're going to do 20 of them. So lie down. Get yourself in your position. Now we're going to extend our legs. We're going to go like that. And we're going to do 20 each leg. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 15. 5 more. 18, and 20. Oh, Lordy, I feel it there. That's a good one. Feel it here, and you feel it on these top muscles over there. Let's keep going. So this next one is called the inverted side kick. And it is good for your glutes and your butt. So what you want to do is you want to get down on all fours, your arm down, your one arm down like this. Put this leg to the side, I believe. Ooh. And go like that. There you go. Got it? And we are going to do 20 on each leg. Here we go. We need this and 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5 more. 17, 18, 19, and 20. Oh my goodness sakes. What's a killer? Alright, other leg. Here we go. And 20. Oh my gosh. Those really hurt. Alright, if you can't do 20, no problem. Just try and do 10. This one here, you're going to really feel come tomorrow morning. Guaranteed. That's a good thing, right? Alright, and now of course to finish off, we're going to go on with our 30-day plank challenge. And I believe today we're up to 75 seconds. So get ready. yourself in position. And go. That's 40. Feel myself start to shake. And then 15 more seconds. Give it all you got. Here we go. And done. Oh. Were you able to finish? Wow. That was tough. Alrighty. Good job. So there you have it. We just finished the first day of week 3. What a great accomplishment. I feel it. I know I'm probably going to feel it later on today. So let's kind of do some after workout stretches. This will help our muscles recover and it'll reduce muscle fatigue, which you don't want. Oh. And what I'm going to do is, my little studio here is about 800 feet away from my house, so my walking home is my cool down. I guess I'm lucky. All right. So I'm glad you guys came back. I hope you're enjoying this. I like the idea that we're actually working out together. Kind of gives me a goal, kind of keeps me motivated to keep working out every day. I hope to see you back again tomorrow. If you like what you see, please hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, I would really appreciate that. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see, what you don't want to see. But please, no haters. I don't really want to see anything negative. Constructive criticism is one thing, but hating comments is another. I will delete it. Anyways, until tomorrow,